Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's been a little while, but I've been sick. But I guess the best way to come back is to open up the box for June. This is the June limited edition box. This one is so stinking cute that I really like this one. LAP and then Dawn from Shimmering Canvases and I had a lot of fun collaborating with this one. And it's just going to get better and better. So let's get started. I don't know if you can guess the theme here, but I've got some tissue paper. All right. Now I am showing you the Ultimate Plus box. There are 4 limited edition scents. And yes, I do not mean to do that every month. Next month will only be 3. We're going to go back to 3 because 4 is really hard to manage, but I could not pick. And for me, June is all about like barbecues and picnics and days, days in the sun. So that's the theme. Granted, what is the one thing we always have in the summer outside? Watermelon. So that's the primary scent, but we got some fun little extras. So it's the same as it is every time. You can customize it by ordering all putty, all wax, and then you can pick 1 cent, 2 cent, 3, or all 4. All 4 is the Ultimate Plus box. That's this one right here. So I'm going to show you. We've got Classic Cola, Vanilla Sugar Cone Waffle Cone, Vanilla Sugar Cone, I can talk, it's Vanilla Sugar Waffle Cone, Sweetgrass, and Watermelon Patch. I'll open those in a sec. And then of course you have them in your full-size sticky wax. So they are literally full to the brim there. Okay. Then you'll have a washi tape. Some are watermelon, some are like summery themed. And then you'll have a cute little sticker that is watermelon themed. And then our cover minder for the month. Let's see if I can get this open. This is a super fun one. It's a little watermelon with sunglasses. So I use really strong magnets. I mean, they can hold back your plastic easy peasy. But that's the little magnet for this month. Then, let's show you the pen first. So this is the basic pen. You do have the option to upgrade to a different pen, which I will show you in a minute. And that is like the best part ever. So here's the basic pen. It's just a magenta swirl pen that kind of goes along with the pink and green theme. And then we have our drills. So we have a Crystal AB square, which are these green ones here. And then we have square AB drills, which are these little red ones, kind of, watermelon themed. And then look at this tray that LEP made. She's like, do you want me to put seeds on it? And I'm like, can you do that? Okay, it is literally meant to match this. Ta-da! So we got a green bottom. It's got the magenta top, the seeds on top, and look at the inside. Isn't that cool? And it comes with both stoppers, just like always. So yeah, that was super fun. I was like, oh my gosh, yes, we're doing that. Now, the upgrade pen, there are only 10 pens available for an upgrade. So you do want to grab these pretty fast. And I'm going to tell you that while they do cost a bit more, you are not going to want to skip this one. It is made like a watermelon. Look at that. She made watermelon seeds. I was like so giddy when she sent me the pictures. So this is the upgrade pen. So if you want the basic box, again, you can still get all the putties, all the wax. This is just the basic pen. This is when you have the option, it'll say upgrade my pen. You say yes. This is the hand-turned pen you get. These normally cost about $60 from Shimmering Canvas, and especially this bad boy because of the custom design we did on the inside with the seeds. So you'll get that in your bundle. And it's bundled so you get a slightly cheaper price. Now, that is what's in the box. Let me show you the scents real quick, and then we're going to go over the minis. I had minis in April, so we'll go into that in a sec. Here's Watermelon Patch. Isn't that pretty? And it smells, oh my gosh, it smells so fresh, that one. You would think it would be really light, but it's actually not. Okay, then we have our sweetgrass. Now, I know some people are probably like, grass? I'm telling you, this grass one is like amazing. Ugh, it literally smells like fresh cut grass, like if you're just sitting on the lawn, but it's not like overpowering and super herbally or anything. Okay, so the vanilla sugar waffle cone. I actually made a cover minder. So you can buy the cover minder separate in the store, but this little guy was made for this. And I may like release some bundles or something, like just for extra fun. I couldn't help myself. I made a lot of cover minders. So here you go. Now, the colors will vary with each batch we make. We try to keep it consistent, but you know, we made 20 of each, so when we go to make another batch, it just depends. Here's classic cola. Now this one definitely smells vanilla-ish, but you kind of get like that cake smell to it. Here is classic cola. Oh, we're on this side. And it literally smells, I don't know how the company I get my oils from does it, but it smells like cola. It really does. It's got that little, you know, little twang of spice you get with cola. So I was like, that is so cool. And like I said, I made a lot of cover minders this month. I made a little cola character. So this will be in the store too. All of the cover minders that I make for the month, they launch on the 1st as well. There's 2 others. I'm actually bringing them back from last year. One is a watermelon lemonade, and the other is a pink lemonade kawaii character cup. So they're like similar to this size, but they're cups. You may have seen them last year. I brought them back for June because along with the theme, the scents this month you'll notice are we have tons of different lemonades and treats and all that. Anything you would do like for a picnic, pretty much. Okay, so this is the box. But now we're going to talk about the minis. Now I had these in April, and I didn't do it in May, and I had a few people that were kind of bummed. So I decided to bring it back. So what you get with the mini is you get automatically the upgraded pen. So that's a guaranteed pen. You'll get the 2 sets of drills. You'll get the cover minder and a washi tape and a sticker. And then, of course, you can add on whichever scents you want. You're not limited. You can do all 4, same thing. Basically, it's the box without the tray. So that's the mini. There are only 5 of these, and like I said, they automatically come with this upgraded pen. So keep that in mind. These will go fast because I know there's a lot of people that don't always want trays. So if you're trying to go for the mini, it's also going to launch right at 8 a.m. Mountain Standard Time on the 1st, which is Sunday, along with the boxes. And the boxes are going really quickly lately. Let's see. April sold out in like 40 minutes, which was unreal. And I was like, okay, well, it is what it is. Well, then came around last month, the May box, and it sold out in under 20 minutes. So the only way you can really like have a chance at snagging these when they drop is literally log in at 8 a.m. Mountain Standard Time, and you can get a box. Within that first 10-minute window, if you're on there, you're guaranteed a box. After that, it's anyone's guess. It's hard to say. Like, I never know what boxes are going to fly off the shelf super quick. I have a feeling this one's going to go super quick because of all the crazy customizations we've done between the tray and the pen. It's just too cute to resist. So it's probably going to go fast just like last month. So yeah, I do feel bad they go quickly, but if you miss the box, you can try and get a mini, and then you'll have the custom pen already in there. If not, I am going to release like little mini bundles throughout the month with these cover minders that I made for the scents. So there's a lot of opportunities out there, so don't worry too much. But hopefully you can snag a box. I hope you've been enjoying the boxes. July is going to be super fun. It's all tropical. We've already like got everything squared away. In fact, the trays for it, I think, already came. We're way ahead of schedule. The pens are on their way. It's going to be really fun. But 3 cents. But this month, you do have the 4 to choose from. Although, I honestly, if I had to choose a favorite, I would say Watermelon Patch is my favorite. Which is why I themed this watermelon. But then second, I would honestly say Sweetgrass. I just like the smell. It's just very fresh, but not like too herbally. I don't know how to explain it. So yeah, that's the box for June. Hopefully I didn't say May this whole video. I've been struggling with that and I keep calling it the May box, but it's because we're moving so far ahead of schedule now that I'm always like filming it and making it 2 months ahead. But hope you can snag one. Hope you enjoy. If you have any questions, put them below. Now, I want to pop up one really important message in. So this is releasing on the 31st so that you have time to see it so you know to log in tomorrow. However, I am also streaming on the 1st, which again is a Sunday, at 10 a.m. Mountain Standard Time here on my diamond painting channel. I'll be working on a mermaid diamond painting. And one of these limited edition boxes, not with this pen though, this little one, one of my limited edition boxes will actually be there as a giveaway. So if you want a chance to win a limited edition set, then watch my live stream on Sunday. So if you weren't able to snag it, go on the live stream. I mean, there will be only one, so but it's at least another way to grab one if you weren't able to get a mini or a box when they launched that morning. So yeah, definitely join us on Sunday for a little whip-in chat. I'm just going to work on my mermaid project that I couldn't finish because I've been sick, and we'll go from there. So until next time, everyone, take care. Bye now.